Friends, in this lecture, we are going to understand and cover the topic that is how to manage a Linux password expiration and aging using the chase command. This is a very important and easy topic to understand. In any organization or data centers where we have number of servers to manage, it could be a Linux servers, Solaris, HP Unix, AIX. As a security concern, the users need to change their password at a regular interval. The best practice recommends that users keep changing their password at a regular interval. But typically what happens, the developers, the DBA, the application users, they won't change their password unless they are forced to change their password. So it's the system administrator's responsibility to find a way to force them to change their password so that they have to change their password at a regular interval of time. So in this lecture we are going to understand what are the different commands which can be used to set the password aging or expiration information of a user. So friends, the command which we are going to understand is the chase, which is an acronym for change is. This command is basically used to change the user's password expiry or aging information. Any user can execute this command with the -l option to view their passwords and aging information. No other unauthorized users can view the password aging expiry information. Only root user can execute this command to modify the information, or a normal user only view their own password expiration information with this command. So this is the syntax. You can see we'll understand this syntax while doing the lab session. So first of all, we need to understand what all the things we can do with the chase command. So friends, this is a very simple command, chase -- list and the username. What will happen? It will give you the detail about the users. Here in this PPT we can see the user Dinesh has last changed his password on August 1st 2017, and when his password is going to expire, inactive, account expires, the minimum number of days between the password change, maximum number of days between the password change, and number of days the warning before the password expires. So all the information about that particular user you can see with this command. So we will be learning how we can modify these settings so that a user needs to change their password forcefully. We will be understanding each parameters like what is password expiration, what is password inactive, account expiration, and what are these minimum and maximum number of days warnings. So let me first move to this PPT. Okay, now this is a good example. You can see here, you can see the last password change. We have just fired the command chase -l and the username. After that, you can see the detailed information related to the password expiration and aging is showing for that particular user. Last password change, that is on 1st of August, and then password expire. This is just an example. The password expire will be on August 10th. It means after 10 days the user's password is going to expire. Then what is password inactive? That is of August 20th. And what is account expiration? First we will understand what is password expiration. Password expiration means on 10th of August the user's password is going to expire. And what is password inactive? When user will try to log in, suppose user has not changed his password till 10th of August. And what will happen when user will try to log into the server on 11th of August? When the user will try to log in on 11th of August, what will happen? The system will forcefully ask to change the user's password. Whenever you will try to log in with your password, with user credential, it will forcefully ask you to change your password. Then only you would able to log into the server. Till suppose users has not changed his password till 20th of August, 11th August, 12th August, 13th August, the user was not available, or he or she just neglected it and has not changed his password. What will happen? The day reaches to August 20th. User has not changed his password till August 20th. Till 20th, what will happen? At least user has an option to go inside the server after changing the password. The system is giving you an option like you can just change your password, and after that you can log into the system. Now the user has not changed his password till 20th of August. Now 21st August has come and user has not changed his password. Now what will happen? His password is inactive. User won't able to access to the server. He or she needs to talk to the system administrator to reset his password. Till 20th of August, user has an option to log into the server. He or she just needs to change his password. The system is asking forcefully to change his password. Now suppose user was on long vacation and he or she was not able to change his password till 15th of September. So what will happen? User's account will expire, and once the account will expire, what will happen? Users needs to provide the proper justification why you are not able to change your password till 15th of September or whatever. This is just an example. So friend, this is basic idea about this. Then what is minimum number of days between the password change? Suppose I have set it for 2 days, minimum number of days. What will happen? The user has changed his password on 1st of August. So after till 2 days, next 2 days, user won't able to change his password. He or she needs to retain that password at least for 2 days. So this is called the minimum number of the days between the password change. Okay, maximum number of days between the password change, this is the same as password expiration. As soon as you will put 10 days, your maximum number of days between the password change will be showing 10 days here. And number of warnings, number of days, the warning before the password expiration, it means suppose it is set as 7. So suppose user has changed his password on 1st August. So after 7th of August, what will happen? Whenever user will try to log into the server, he or she will start getting a warning message like your password is going to expire in next 3 days. So please change your password. So this is the warning message a user will start getting once he or she will try to access the Linux server. So this is all about the password expiration and aging using the chase command. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, we would be doing a lab session to understand more about this. Thanks for watching, and if you have time, please join with me in the next lecture.